Morning. Some very strange bird sounds here overnight, but otherwise very calm. Heading deeper into Algarve today towards the town of Faro. Oops, I accidentally left the GoPro on wide angle, which doesn't have horizon lock and is the reason it looks a tiny bit on the fisheye side. If it's making you feel a bit seasick, you can skip ahead to 2 minutes 30 where I figure it out and correct the setting. This southeasterly is becoming a bit annoying. Don't trust the Portuguese when they tell you the prevailing wind is from the northwest. At least not the southerners anyway. I thought these were some interesting looking cliff dwellings from a distance, but it's just massive new development in Albufeira. Oh, get me out of here. This blue lane is denoting a bike route, I believe. Not that you'd know it. Well, those tents confirm the wind direction around here. This is Praia da Falésia. I can see why you'd want some of these shelters here. But otherwise, very lovely beach with these oak rocks behind. This is the Eurovelo, apparently. During a brief, no pedal required tailwind around the harbour here, before I have to turn back into bloody horrible cycling surface into a headwind. She's got a nest. I'd arranged to meet up with Bruno at the airport where he works, and I was just beginning to wonder where exactly I was going to find him in the airport, and he's just come past and found me. Hola! Hey! Good to...
a drink?
Yeah, sure. Bruno's telling me about his cycle trip in Mauritania.
So Mauritania, like my experience, you're not going to see much infrastructure. There's just 2 or 3, at least in the 200 first kilometers I made. There's only maybe 4 or 5 villages, and there's not much bushes, nothing to shelter. So
it's windy.
It can be really windy, so I have to take care of the wind.
Okay.
And that's kind of.
And that's it. Okay. Wasn't sure about finding a camp amongst all of this development, and it's the end of the month and I've got some Patreon money left over, so I've booked myself a dorm bed in Faro. Voila. Last minute, so neglected to check the parking situation. Not really happy about this, but I've got the U-lock through the frame and the wheel and around the post. The cable also goes through the frame and the front wheel. I've got the little spiral lock on just for fun, and of course I can watch it from my window. There's no cooking in the hostel, so it's the same dinner as usual, but I've got a cold beer at least, and I can eat my dinner off a plate. So cheers to that.